Hello everyone, my name is Arish. In today's video, we're gonna learn about the moon, and it's gonna be all about the moon. So let's begin. The moon. The moon is the Earth's only natural satellite. No other planet in the entire solar system has a satellite as large as this in comparison to its size. The surface of the moon is mountainous, rocky, dusty, and gray all over with no atmosphere on. The moon rotates or spins on its axis and revolves around the earth. It takes 27 days and 7 hours for the moon to complete one rotation as well as to orbit the earth. This means that we always see the same side of the moon from the earth. Did you know? Till 1959, people on Earth could not see the far side of the moon. It was possible only after the first photographs of the far side were taken by a Soviet, former USSR, spacecraft Luna 3 in October 1959. Near side of the moon. The picture on the left shows the face of the moon which we always see from the earth. It is called the near side. Most of the dark areas in this picture are called mares, which means seas in Latin. These seas are formed by lava which pour out of volcanoes and later become solid rock when it cools. Far side of the moon. The picture on the right shows the face of the moon which we never see from the earth. This is called the far side. The moon has many craters. These are formed by comets, asteroids, and meteoroids which hit the moon's surface over a period of time. There are many more craters on the far side. Some of the craters are so large that an entire city could fit into it. Phases of the moon. The moon has no light of its own, but it reflects the sun's rays. If you observe the moon during the nights, the shape of the moon changes every night. Sometimes you see a round, bright moon, sometimes you see a half or quarter moon, and sometimes you do not see the moon at all. This is because as the moon revolves around the earth, different parts of the of sunlight sides are visible from the earth. The different shapes of the moon are visible from the earth are called phases of the moon. Eclipses. As the earth and the moon move in space, they sometimes lie in the same line and block the sun's light. This is called an eclipse. Every now and then you experience this exciting event. There are two types of eclipses. Lunar eclipse. This happens when the earth lies between the sun and the moon and casts its shadow on the moon. The solar eclipse. This occurs when the moon lies between the sun and the earth and blocks the sunlight from reaching the earth. Since we can now calculate where these heavenly bodies will be at any particular time, eclipses now can be predicted. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and press that bell icon so you never miss my future videos, and I'll see you in the next one.